Thousands of miraculous medals are worn worldwide freely, but few know the story behind the image they carry. In 1830, a young nun in Paris witnessed a vision that would change Catholic devotion forever. The blue mantle with golden lining represents heaven's glory offered to humanity through Mary's intercession. She stands upon the world itself, crushing evil underfoot, a powerful image of victory over sin. Space-age technology ensures every detail of Saint Catherine's vision is preserved perfectly. A proprietary resin blend ensures these statues last generations' ties, becoming family heirlooms of faith. The moment of truth passed when grace takes physical form.
Tuy liên địa địa, và tôi luận khuya chán kỷ niệm nhớ thì cái game giá tùm như điện giả thường hậu. Bạn hiệt xung hiế hậu xén cử điểm ra phê nổi mắm đống tùm như ngục.
But the human touch remains essential. Only artisans can capture the soul of devotion. Colors carry meaning. Every shade must honor the symbolism of Saint Catherine's heavenly vision. Real gold leaf transforms the mantle's interior conges, a glimpse of heaven's splendor. The eyes must convey infinite mercy pour, the gaze that Saint Catherine herself witnessed in the vision. From these hands, rays of grace flow eternally, even though invisible to us. They're real to millions of believers. The serpent of Eden, sin itself preying, lies crushed beneath her heel, powerless against grace.
Now comes the assembly, Tess, serpent, globe, and Our Lady, united in the image of triumph over evil.
Ganen daengin paidingre wennaine. Yesterday pinds a key bende. Halsimung onnirai. Chegudu kenge yate nang.
Under perfect light, every element of the miraculous medal vision is revealed in three-dimensional glory. Each statue must survive temperature extremes, humidity, and time itself, and faith built to last. Before shipping, each statue receives a final blessing and pass, becoming not just art, but a vessel of devotion. From this factory, Our Lady of Grace travels to every continent, carried by believers seeking her intercession. To homes, hospitals, convents, and churches, Kenas, wherever people cry out for grace, she arrives. Millions wear the Miraculous Medal, but to see the full image in 3 dimensions brings the vision to life. Every statue created here carries the same mission: to pour forth grace upon a world that desperately needs it. From pocket-sized companions to towering church statues de Rome's, grace comes in every size for every need. Master artisans create museum-quality editions, heirlooms of faith passed through generations. For nearly 2 centuries, this image has brought hope, healing, and countless miracles to believers worldwide.
అయితే మెల్లయ్యపోరేందుకు అది నమ్మితేను ఇదిల్లే సిట్టే అట్లే తోగా మండను ఆదొన్న రేణి ఎంతో దేతను.
Each November 27th, the church celebrates the Miraculous Medal Tars, and these statues carry that celebration year-round.
I'm matching the blue exactly to this historical icon.
Ensure the shading matches the theological interpretation here.
Yes, the gradient needs to represent purity.
From one young nun's vision in Paris to millions of homes worldwide, the image of grace eternal, crafted with devotion.
O Mary, conceived without sin, pray for us who have recourse to Thee.